So this is the multi-scraper, and with the multi-scraper we can easily use it handheld, like this. You just turn it around and click it on like this. But sometimes we want to use it as a handheld scraper. So you can use it on your favorite handle, depending on your needs, and you can easily start scraping like this. You just take the cap off and put it on the back, and you won't lose your cap. Don't forget to close it up again when finishing. Take it off your favorite handle, and you have your multi-scraper again. You can put it away into your pocket. To change the blades, just open it up, and you can see there's a little spare here, and with the side of the cap you can just push it inside, take out the blades. Be very careful because they are razor sharp. Just turn them around because there's two blades inside. Just slide it back in, and we can start scraping it again. There's actually two blades inside of 0.2 millimeters, so we have 4 blades of 4 scraper blades in one tool. So this is the multi-scraper. Hope you love it. Try it out because it's the only scraper you will ever need.